Raster versus vector. You may be asking yourself, what does that even mean? Well, basically, artwork comes in two very different formats, raster and vector. Let's explore what each one means. As you may know by now, Illustrator is a vector-based drawing application. What that means to you is that artwork drawn in Illustrator is composed of mathematical paths or vectors. Because of this, the artwork is infinitely scalable. I mean that literally. If you create artwork such as a logo that is 3 inches by 3 inches in size, because the artwork is vector-based, it can be scaled up to 30 feet by 30 feet without any loss of quality. That is, as long as you have an output device big enough. Because the artwork is vector-based, it has no resolution like a photo does, and that makes the artwork in Illustrator resolution independent. Now, raster-based objects, by contrast, have much different properties than vector-based objects. Photoshop, for example, is a raster-based application that creates raster-based files. Again, Photoshop, for example, is a raster-based application that creates raster-based files. Content created in Photoshop is composed of pixels or rasters. So photographs, for example, are composed completely of pixels. These files have a certain number of pixels per square inch, referred to as resolution. The resolution of a raster-based image determines its scalability, or the amount at which it can be scaled. Usually we mean to a larger dimension. Because of these characteristics, files created in Photoshop and other raster-based programs are resolution dependent. If we compare two examples, as you see here, we can visually see the difference between a vector-based piece of artwork on the left and a raster-based piece of artwork on the right. Each type of artwork has its place and has benefits depending on the final use of the artwork. Knowing these benefits and disadvantages in some cases will help you to choose the appropriate application for the specific type of artwork that you're creating.